all that. It's Zinnia and Emily recording in the background. He's playing on the tablet. So today's my mom's birthday, of course. She's 43. She's not that old.
Yeah, she's
in her 40s.
Are you old?
Because I told you. Emily.
I'm just gonna vlog too.
You don't have a vlog channel.
Actually, I look pretty good for my age.
But I can make one if I want to.
People
you
younger than
can't.
me look a lot older than me.
You forgot it. Well, not right now, but when you get to the store, I'm doing it.
She can't vlog. She was like,
I was like, no, what are you talking about, dude?
so that's basically all. My dad.
I'm sick. I can't find it. My room is
I got my nails done. And my nails.
Wait, how do you pause the videos? Like,
Can it happen online?
everyone. Oh.
Can I do it online?
Why you keep
Let me see
people
your
fast?
files.
No, you cannot. Go.
She cannot pause on her videos. But I can. Because I'm a mom's phone. Yep. We're going to the mall. I get to buy
Where's that
a
hole
couple of
again?
things. Because
Because
for my birthday I got one thing that I got. I have it in the truck today. For my birthday I got this. I got this.
it's a Claire's card. It has $20 on it.
25.
25 things.
What one got you that?
Bailey. I'm not allowed to show you that. So, my Claire's card. One day, Emily, she got me this backpack. It's really cute. It's pink in it. I have my name on it.
That's not true. I didn't get her it. What happened was my Nana got me and her the same one. So when I came to her house, we would have matching book bags.
Why did you? Well, she didn't buy it. Her Nana did, but she gave me it. So it's basically just from her. Thank you, Mommy. Whoops. Thank you, Emily. Thank you. It's almost Thanksgiving, so I guess I'm saying thank you to everyone. Thank you.
It's like it's a season. Oh, and when it's Christmas time, you'll be hearing me on her videos say, "'Tis the season for ho ho ho."
Yes, you will. Today's the season for Thanksgiving and thanks.
No, "'tis the season for thanksing people." Wait, is thanksing a word? Leave it down in the comments.
Yes.
I don't care, because they can tell. Okay, the word is thanksing. THANKI.
It's not a word, so you don't know how to spell it.
Oh, wait, that's thinking. I wanted to know thanksing.
Is it a word or not? Comment down in the comments, please. It's down below. I'm going crazy.
Just please do it. I really want to know.
Yeah, sure, we're crazy. So just comment down in the comments, and that's all. Wait, start your vlog. Press it. Just press. Hey, I'm vlogging too. We're both vlogging. We're both vlogging. We're both vlogging. We're both vlogging. We're both vlogging.
What? I deleted it.
Why?
Because if I'm gonna do a video, I'm gonna do it right.
She cuckoo because she only had one picture on her phone, and she took like millions of them. She deleted all of them.
Before.
Yes.
Oh, you deleted most of my. You deleted most of my pictures. The only ones she left was the ones of her and me.
Yeah.
No, the only one she left was her.
Yeah.
Wait, I need to take a picture of you real quick. I need to have a picture of my friends. So,
She's taking a picture of me.
okay, let's get it. Uh-oh. Is my hand in the way?
One. And I'm back. I wasn't gone long. I wasn't even gone.
Why keep pulling at my hole?
Checking these lights.
Whose is better? Comment down below.
Is it
Mine
Switch the pedals to the metal.
or hers?
okay? Whose is better? This one or this one? This one or this one?
Yeah.
I really want to know. I think mine is better because I like face painted myself at home.
She did it herself. Give us a thumbs up if you think she is really good at that.
Please say yes. If you don't, we're gonna make sure you can't watch our videos.
No, we won't.
If you say we're not weird, I'm not weird.
Look at her. She's going crazy.
Well, I think it's all this candy right here.
Boo!
No!
I'm going crazy over Kate.
I don't even think I'm gonna make it now.
Juniors.
Made it.
Okay, it's done. So, that's how we're doing today.